The ROOFULL External DVD Drive is a versatile device, perfect for those who need a reliable plug-and-play solution for reading and writing CDs and DVDs without the hassle of installing drivers. This external drive not only plays discs but also serves as a burner, writer, and recorder, making it ideal for backing up data, creating music collections, or storing video files. Equipped with genuine USB 3.0 technology, the drive offers fast data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, ensuring quick and efficient operation. Its wide compatibility with various operating systems, including Windows and macOS, makes it a flexible choice for users across different platforms. The inclusion of a separate power supply cord ensures stable performance even with low-power USB ports, making it suitable for use with ultra-thin laptops. Designed with portability in mind, the drive comes with a protective carrying case, making it a durable companion for travel or daily use.